Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have the Eero app and an account, so start now. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on your phone and that you're connected to the same Wi-Fi as the primary Eero. Once done, open the app and tap Add Device. Choose the correct Eero model. You'll be prompted to scan the QR code or type the serial number. Do that now, because the app needs device identity to proceed and verify firmware compatibility before pairing. Once the app recognizes the device, place the new Eero close to the primary for a stable first connection. About 3 to 6 feet is ideal. Next, plug the unit into power and observe the LED pattern while the app searches. When detected, follow prompts to assign a room and device name. This matters for mesh routing and device grouping. Make sure you allow any firmware updates. Eero pushes settings and updates automatically to keep mesh performance consistent. You're nearly done. Confirm the new Eero shows online in the app and run a quick speed test to verify coverage. If performance is good, adjust placement for long-term use. Keep it off the floor, away from metal and thick walls. Make sure devices connect to the intended network name. If anything goes wrong, try the one-key troubleshooting step. Reboot the new Eero and your phone, ensure the app has permissions, and if necessary, perform a factory reset using the pinhole to reinitiate pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.